front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top to activate it if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!